Ruben Muli, I'm the County Police Commander Kirinyaga. So just a confirmation that today, acting on information, we managed to raid a house which was suspected to be manufacturing fake alcohol. So we managed to recover 20 liters of ethanol, triple Ace Vodka, 52 cartons, Smart Vodka, People Vodka in different cartons and numbers, and bottles, totaling about 5,956 bottles, the empty ones. We also managed to recover a pressing machine used to manufacture the beer, KRS stickers, 1 roll, and assorted caps used to seal the bottles. We have a suspect at hand whom we are not revealing his identity, and I can say that we will not lose an opportunity or momentum in cracking down on illicit liquor and arresting anybody. There, it has been given, it has never been stood down, it has never been revised, and will sustain the war. So far, we are almost at 98% in eradicating the vice, and I'm sure before long we'll be at 100%. Our objective is to achieve a sober generation, sober people who are willing to work, ready to work, to produce, and not to engage in full-time taking of this illicit liquor and the rest. If you have to take liquor, if you have to take alcohol, then there are brands, there are the legal ones, which are allowed, regulated, and meet all the standards. As I've said again, that as a security team in Kirinyaga County, the war is there, it is sustained, no momentum, no opportunity will be lost in eradicating this kind of fights, which must end. That this business is taking place in a place that is, by your purpose and intentions, a residential area. You cannot suspect, you cannot know. An ordinary person, a police officer or individual patrol will not know. And that is the reason why I said that we acted on intelligence. We acted on information